Love's turbulent. Passion unveiled. In the highly anticipated biography of Elon Musk penned by Walter Isaacson, an emotionally charged narrative unfolds, delving into the roller coaster relationship between the SpaceX founder and actress Amber Heard. Their love story, which ignited in April 2017, sparked a whirlwind of intense emotions and turmoil, as detailed in the biography's revealing rocky relationships chapter. Check out the interesting details and give it a like. But first, ask for your support in subscribing to the channel, please. Heard, still reeling from a tumultuous divorce with Johnny Depp, reportedly cast a dark shadow over Musk's life in 2017. Isaacson poignantly describes how she drew Musk into a dark vortex that left a deep-seated pain haunting him to this day. This period of their love is painted as hellacious, and Musk's brother and friends harbored an intense aversion to Heard. Their romance began when Musk, captivated by Heard's role in Machete Kills, first crossed paths with her in 2013. Their connection deepened when she visited SpaceX a year later. The book underscores Heard's fascination with Musk's work, quoting her as saying, "I guess I could be called a geek for someone who can also be called a hot chick." Isaacson's account continues to describe their passionate courtship, from Musk taking Heard for a spin in a Tesla during her SpaceX visit to his gallant trip to Australia while she filmed Aquaman. The biography even reveals Heard's intriguing endeavor to roleplay as a video game character, Mercy from Overwatch, with whom Musk saw a resemblance. Despite their passionate connection, the biography doesn't shy away from depicting the more turbulent aspects of their relationship. Explosive arguments and disagreements were part and parcel of their journey, including a heated incident during a family trip to South America in December 2017. Heard, however, countered the negativity with evidence of moments when their love prevailed, culminating in a cherished New Year's Eve kiss. As the story unfolds, Kimball Musk, Elon's brother, offers a poignant perspective, lamenting how Elon falls for individuals who harbor darker sides. He underscores the toxicity that Elon seems drawn to. Elon Musk himself acknowledges the brutality of their relationship, while Heard reveals her lingering love for him, despite recognizing her own shortcomings. In a moment of introspection, Musk, known for his technological brilliance, candidly confesses to Isaacson that he is, at times, a fool for love. This poignant revelation encapsulates the emotional turbulence, the magnetic attraction, and the tumultuous love that defined their entwined destinies. Let's keep up to date. Subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with the latest news, like and share in the comments.